market gap up, a bull bar, and then reverse back. Yesterday is a bear bar. It's in a trading range. In an expanded triangle. Currently, it's in the middle of the triangle, so there's no obvious direction of market price. Reverse up from the price, reverse up from the bottom line. Currently, there's no obvious strength. The bear bars are more stronger currently, but it's in a trading range. It can do anything, go down or go back up. I'll wait for a strong breakout bar or two strong bull bar. It may be go down a bit and reverse up. Look for strong bars to determine the direction of the trade. It also can be a high two or low two. If this bar closes a large bear bar, it's a consecutive bear bar entry. If this bar closes a strong breakout bar, close at its high, it's a high two entry. Also bounce at the hourly moving average. Price hasn't reached the high of the bull bar and reverse back. This becomes a bull trap. It could be a low two entry if this closes as a bear bar. Right now, the price is in the channel. Wait for the price to break out either side. Price has breakout upside. See if this bar can close as a big bull bar for entry. It could be a triangle. Two consecutive bull bars, but this bar closes its low. This is not a good entry. Wait for consecutive bull bars or reverse back. A strong breakout bar to reverse this triangle. A bear bar close to the middle of the trading range. This is the open price. May go back to the open price and maybe go to the moving average. If they go up and go back, that's a low two entry. Currently, there's no good entry here. This could be an IOI entry if this bar close at its low as a bear bar for sell. If it closes as a bull bar, that's IOI bull entry. If this bar closes at its high, it's IOI buy entry. If bear bar close at its low appears here, this is a double top low 2 entry. This bar fails to close as a bear bar. So it's possibly to continue higher. This is a pin bar is very weak. It could reverse. But this bar is still bull bar. Still bull bar, 4 consecutive bull bars, and 3 bull bars close nearly its high. It's most likely will go up, at least more, a little bit more. It may reverse as a surprising bear bar. If closed as a surprising bear bar, it could be an entry for sale. Before it reaches the moving average. If this bar closes as a bear bar, close at this high, it's low, but it won't be a good entry because this is 4 consecutive bear bars, bull bars. It's better to wait. Consecutive 4, 5, 6 bull bars. I think it will go sideways a bit of time and reverse a breakout bar to reverse. Currently, this is always in long. It's a tight micro channel. Wait for the sideways to see the high 2 pull back or a reverse surprising bar after sideways. If this bar closes as a surprising bear bar, it can go further. So it will be an entry. 1, 2, 3. This is a third leg and the reverse. This could be an entry if this bar closes at the low of this bear bar. It can be a small pullback trend and lead to the measured move and go to the previous high. Go to previous high. This bear bar is strong. I would expect it high 2 or wedge entry. If this bar closes as a large bear bar, closes its low, it's a surprising bear bar entry. Also, it's in a channel. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth time to go down. It can be a wedge entry if this bar closes at its high. 1, 2, 3. If this bar can close at its high as a bull bar, it's not able to close at its high. I'll wait for the price to bounce back as a double bottom, or break out the moving average, retest moving average to enter. Or it wants to push the price to previous high. If this bar closes at its high, this is a double bottom entry. It could go higher. Price has breakout moving average. It's just at the wedge 9. It can go back up, or it can retest the moving average and go down to test the open or yesterday's high. If the next bar closes a bar above the moving average, this will be a moving average breakout bar. If the turn back as a bear bar, this can be retest moving average bear bar entry, and depends on how it closes the next bar. It's not able to close as a bear bar or a strong bull bar. This is IOI pattern. And look for the next bar, how it will close. More than 3 bars constrained by this moving average. It can be a sell entry, and the price will go down to test the resistance. If this bar reverses as a bull bar, then it can be a double bottom entry, but it's close to the moving average. Needs to be careful. The price has bounced at moving average. Needs to be careful and enter small size. This bar is a wedge, also a double bottom entry. I would expect the price to go a bit higher, may retest the high. It can retest the moving average and bounce back consecutive bull bars, or it can go sideways and reverse back. A micro double top entry after the climax. The price will test the low of today and may go higher. Micro double top, double bottom. It has a breakout, micro double bottom, and a bounce at the moving average. It could go lower if this bar closes bear bar.